Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song He Is by David Crowder. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started playing through the song.
If you're troubled, heavy-hearted, come to Jesus and find your peace. If you're undone, empty-handed, come to Jesus and find your strength. He is hope for the hopeless, rest for the weary, help for the hurting. He is mending the broken, bearing the burdens, all that you needed. He is. If you're wandering in the darkness, come to Jesus and find your way. If you want freedom, need forgiveness, just come to Jesus and find His grace. He is hope for the hopeless, rest for the weary, help for the hurting. He is mending the broken, bearing the burdens, all that you needed. He is comforter, counselor, prince of peace, author and maker of everything, defender, deliverer, king of kings. He is helper and healer forevermore, savior and shelter through every storm, refuge, redeemer, and Lord of lords. He is child of heaven and son of man, provider, protector, the great I am, Alpha, Omega, beginning and end. He is hope for the hopeless, rest for the weary, help for the hurting. He is mending the broken, bearing the burdens, all that you needed. He is.
Alright, so for this song we're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family, and we're going to be starting with the C chord, which is going to look like this. And for the C chord, I want to strum from the A string down and avoid that low E string. So you want to try just to not strum it, but you can also use your thumb to touch that low E string and mute it so it's not resonating while you strum. From there, we're going to be playing an F over C chord, and to play that I'm going to put my pinky down on the 3rd fret of the D string, and then I'm going to move my 2nd finger down a string, still on the 2nd fret, but now on the G string, and I'm going to play from the A string down for this F chord variation. And then from there, I'm going to be playing a G chord, and to get there, I'm going to be using my 2nd and 3rd finger primarily, and those two are going to stay in this similar shape. They're just going to move up all the way to the A string and the low E string, like this. And then I'm going to put my pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and that's going to be my G chord. And I want to strum all 6 strings for this one. And then I also have an A minor 7 chord, and I'm going to go back to the C for a second here. The This is my C major chord. To go from here to an A minor 7, all I got to do is pick up my third finger, and that's it. So we have C here, and then we release that third finger, and that's an A minor 7. So very, very easy transition to go from C to A minor, which is what we're doing for this song. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. If you'd like to get some more detailed instruction on how to play that strum pattern, you can check out my free 3-step guide, which you can get up there. And that is going to give you detailed instruction on that driving pattern as well as a few others, and a lot of chords as well that I recommend beginners learn first. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.